Bullion coins are typically struck only once with a standard matte finish and are primarily priced by weight. When it comes to bullion, the market value is almost entirely based on its weight. It closely follows the spot price of gold or silver, also known as day trader metals. Bullion immediately reacts to the current economic climate and is often produced in larger numbers, making it commonly available. Bullion is a convenient way to own physical precious metals and is traded worldwide. Mint state versus proof. Coins are graded using the official Sheldon grading scale from 1 to 70, 1 being the worst and 70 being the absolute best. The grading process is important because grade determines a certified coin's population, which can have a major impact on its growth potential. A higher grade can often result in greater profit potential on the open market. Bullion coins that are graded are given the designation Mint State, also known as MS. Example grades include MS-70 or MS-69. These coins come individually sonically sealed in a clear tamper-proof slab and feature a unique serial number verifying their graded condition and authenticity. Proof coins are struck multiple times, which gives the coin a frosted, sculpted foreground for a glamorous shine, defined, intricate design, and mirror-like background. Mint state coins are graded with MS before the grade, and proof coins are graded PR. Call the number below or click on the link in the description to learn more about the value of gold and other precious metals.